Top 5 foods that balance electrolytes for kidneys. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium keep your kidneys healthy and maintain fluid balance. When they become too high or too low, the kidneys struggle. Today, we'll explore the top 5 foods that help balance electrolytes naturally, especially for seniors and people managing diabetes or kidney concerns. Coconut water, gentle hydration with natural potassium. Coconut water is one of the most natural electrolyte balancing drinks available. Unlike sugary sports drinks loaded with chemicals and artificial ingredients, coconut water contains natural potassium, magnesium, calcium, and trace sodium, making it ideal for supporting kidney balance. For many older adults, dehydration is a hidden issue. When the body becomes dehydrated, sodium levels rise, blood pressure increases, and kidney filtration slows down. Coconut water helps restore hydration gently and naturally, without overwhelming the kidneys. The potassium in coconut water supports heart rhythm, helps relax blood vessel walls, and prevents fluid retention. This makes it especially beneficial for seniors dealing with swelling, water retention, or high blood pressure. Coconut water may also help reduce kidney stone formation by lowering oxidation and improving urinary pH levels, making the environment less favorable for crystal buildup. Its magnesium content helps stabilize muscle function, nerve activity, and electrolyte processing, especially important for older adults who may be losing magnesium through medication or diet. For best results, choose unsweetened, natural coconut water with no added sugar. A small serving, about half a cup to 1 cup, is usually enough to help with hydration without raising potassium levels too sharply. People with advanced kidney disease should still monitor intake and consult a healthcare provider before making it a daily habit. Avocado, potassium for fluid balance. Avocados are one of the richest natural sources of potassium, a key mineral required for healthy blood pressure, fluid regulation, and proper nerve and muscle function. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, and this is critical for kidney health because high sodium is one of the biggest stressors on the kidneys. Many seniors unknowingly consume too much sodium from canned food, snacks, bread, deli meats, and restaurant meals. Avocados gently help restore balance by supplying potassium in a natural form while offering healthy fats and fiber. This potassium to sodium balance supports healthy blood pressure, prevents swelling, and helps the kidneys remove toxins more efficiently. Avocados also contain magnesium, another electrolyte necessary for nerve relaxation, muscle function, and kidney filtration. People with diabetes or insulin resistance benefit from magnesium-rich foods because low magnesium levels are linked to poor blood sugar control and inflammation, both harmful to kidney tissue. The healthy monounsaturated fats in avocado support heart health, which is closely connected to kidney function. When the heart struggles, the kidneys often follow. These fats may also help lower LDL cholesterol and inflammation, reducing long-term kidney strain. Seniors should consume avocado in moderation, around 2 to 3 tablespoons, or 1/4 of an avocado per serving. Those in late-stage kidney disease should consult a healthcare provider first because potassium needs vary. Spinach, natural magnesium and calcium support. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-rich vegetables available, particularly when it comes to supporting electrolyte balance. It contains magnesium, calcium, and potassium, all of which play vital roles in kidney function, nerve regulation, fluid control, and muscle movement, including the muscles responsible for healthy bladder and urinary function. Magnesium is one of the most overlooked electrolytes. Many seniors are deficient due to medications like proton pump inhibitors, diuretics, or long-term stress. Low magnesium levels can lead to muscle cramps, irregular heartbeat, fatigue, and electrolyte imbalance. Spinach provides magnesium in a natural, easily absorbable form, helping restore balance safely. Calcium in spinach plays a different yet equally important role. Healthy calcium intake prevents calcium from being pulled from bones into the bloodstream, where it may contribute to kidney stone formation. When consumed in the right amounts, especially with magnesium and potassium, calcium helps keep minerals stable and prevents imbalance. Spinach also contains antioxidants like lutein, vitamin E, and chlorophyll. which help protect kidney tissue from inflammation and oxidative stress. Two major contributors to kidney aging. For seniors, mild cooking, such as steaming or lightly sautéing, makes spinach easier to digest and helps unlock mineral availability. A half cup of cooked spinach daily is enough to provide benefits without overwhelming the kidneys. Bananas stabilize potassium levels. Bananas are widely known for their potassium content, making them one of the most effective foods for supporting electrolyte and kidney balance, especially when potassium levels are low. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, maintain heart rhythm, support nerve conduction, and balance fluid retention. For seniors experiencing swelling, fatigue, or muscle cramps, potassium-rich foods like bananas can offer noticeable relief. Bananas also contain magnesium and trace calcium, adding additional support for nerve health, muscle function, and kidney cellular processes. These minerals work together to help prevent electrolyte imbalance, especially in individuals who lose electrolytes through diuretics, sweating, or dehydration. Unlike supplements, the potassium in bananas is released slowly and gently into the bloodstream, making it easier for the kidneys and heart to manage. This natural delivery makes bananas safer and more balanced than many potassium pills. Bananas are also a good source of soluble fiber, especially pectin, which helps regulate digestion and stabilize blood sugar, an essential factor for diabetics at risk of kidney strain. The fiber also supports gut health, which plays a key role in lowering inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. Seniors can benefit from eating half to one banana a day, depending on dietary needs and kidney stage. Those with advanced kidney disease must monitor potassium levels and consult their healthcare provider before increasing intake. Choose ripe bananas rather than overripe ones if blood sugar is a concern, as overripe bananas have a higher glycemic impact. Greek yogurt, calcium and sodium regulation. Greek yogurt is a powerful electrolyte balancing food because it contains calcium, potassium, magnesium, and sodium in natural proportions. This balance supports kidney function, nerve signaling, digestion, muscle coordination, and healthy blood pressure levels. Unlike sugary or artificially flavored yogurts, plain Greek yogurt provides electrolytes naturally without excessive sugar or artificial additives. The calcium in yogurt supports bone density, especially in seniors, and helps balance sodium in the bloodstream. When sodium levels rise, calcium and potassium help correct the imbalance, reducing kidney strain. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support digestive health and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Since chronic inflammation is linked to accelerated kidney decline, probiotics may indirectly support kidney protection. Protein is another benefit. Greek yogurt contains high-quality protein that preserves muscle strength without overwhelming the kidneys, especially in moderate servings. For seniors managing diabetes, Greek yogurt helps stabilize blood sugar levels due to its protein content and low carbohydrate count. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add natural flavors such as berries, chia seeds, or cinnamon. Avoid flavored yogurts with added sweeteners, as these increase inflammation and stress kidney filtration. If you're managing kidney disease, diabetes, or high blood pressure, always talk to your healthcare provider before increasing high potassium foods. Electrolyte needs vary depending on kidney stage. Start slowly, monitor how your body responds, and adjust based on medical guidance. Balanced electrolytes mean better kidney function, more energy, and fewer health complications. If you found this helpful, comment healthy kidneys. And don't forget to subscribe for more kidney-friendly nutrition and wellness videos.